Looking to optimize your field reps' territories? Hi, my name is Lasse and I'm here to show you around portatour's newest add-on feature, the territory optimization. Optimizing your territories with portatour is a breeze. Let me show you how it's done. Here you see your current territories. Within a few clicks, you arrive at your optimized result. As a matter of fact, portatour gives you multiple results to choose from. You've got the choice between balancing the workload across your workforce or minimizing the driving time across your entire workforce. In any case, as displayed here, driving time is reduced and customer calls per week increase. And of course, I can also visualize the results on a map. This is what we started with a couple of seconds ago, and this is what portatour optimized for us. Want to learn more about the portatour territory optimization? Please get in touch with us and we'll gladly schedule a demo with you.